We are going to learn how to render an enscape. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your enscape tab. I always like having a camera view open before I go into it, but it's not the end of the world. I'm then going to hit start. Give it a moment to load. And then once it's loaded, you can set up a few things. You can use you and I to kind of change the time of the day. I always like to be able to see something in the background. So the way that I do that is I go to the settings tab and I click sky, and then you have a few options. So depending on what makes most sense, you can choose those. So you can see if I change urban, the background changes. So select which one makes the most sense for you. And then you're ready to render. And the way that you render, kind of again, set up your view. You can hit space bar. It'll bring you back down to the ground. You can kind of move around, space bar. And then when you are ready to render, you're just going to click on this icon right here, and it's going to ask you, where do you want to save your renderings? So I'm going to just save them in the folder I'm working on right now. And I'm going to say front building practice and hit save. And then it will export your image. When it's done exporting, you will be able to go and find that image in the location that you saved it. So here we go. I'm going to go into my folder. I'm going to go to my documents and go where I saved it. And here it is, front of building. And there is my image.